Hi, YouTube friends. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below right now. Subscribe. You never know what I'm doing in the shop today. I'm in the she shop. It's an S-hole. I'm gonna try something new today. I really have wanted to try this product for a really long time. Unicorn spit. Oh God, that light. Again, it is rainy. Unicorn spit. It's rainy, so the light is really terrible. But if you haven't seen the videos for unicorn spit yet, the woman who made this, it is a gel stain and glaze, but it's got these really great, really vibrant colors. I mean, a stain with vibrant colors. Yes. Totally up my alley. But she does this thing. It's kind of like a galaxy thing pattern on some of her pieces, and I really like it. And I have not been brave enough to try it on a big piece, but I finally found a piece that I'm working on that I want to do it on the drawer. On this piece. Hello? Hi YouTube, Victoria's here. That's okay, I'm gonna finish this, okay? What do you need? In a little bit, or she's here? Okay. Don't get loud out there. Okay, thank you. Okay, I did find the piece that I finally want to do it on. It is the an end table that had this skinny little drawer in the front. Now, here's the thing. Like I said, I'm not brave enough to do this on a whole piece yet. Doesn't mean it's not going to happen. But the body of this piece is going to be kind of a neutral grayish color. And the person who painted this piece before used latex, but they didn't prep the surface correctly, so the paint was literally just, as I sanded, coming right off. And the drawer came off so nice down to the wood that I wanted to stain it. So initially what I thought was, I'll use the black ebony gel stain that I used on the chair. If you saw that video, if not, I'll put a link in the cards above. So my first instinct was to go with the black and put it with the gray and have this kind of neutrally palette. And then the little voice in my head went, I don't want a neutral. There's literally nothing in my house that's neutral. Yes. Hi, Mallory.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube. That's Mallory Jane. Okay, bye. It's Saturday. The kids are home. Give me a second. There's literally nothing in my house that's neutral, and I love color. I absolutely love color. That's why I bought this. I bought this almost a year ago. All three of these I spent. It is pricey. This was at Hobby Lobby for $9.99 a piece for these, but you don't use much, is what I was told. So I spent $30 that I didn't have. I think I even overdrafted my bank account to get this. No lie. My business bank account at the time did not have the money in it, and I overdrafted just to get it because it had just like hit my Hobby Lobby. I used the 40% off coupon Natch. Of course I did. Doesn't save you a whole lot when it's only off one item for $9.99, but every little bit counts. So I've had it, and it's been sitting there, and I love color, but when you're painting to resell, a lot of people don't love color. So we thought I'd take a chance because it's such a small space. Like the whole rest of the body is going to be gray, and this will have that galaxy look on it. What do you think? Huh? I love it. I love it. I love the little pop of color. Do I think other people will? I don't know. There may be one. I did an entire table with sheet music, called it my harmony table, and I held on to that thing for a year. Nobody loved it, and then finally this woman, you know they are going to buy it when you hear the gasp. That's my buyer right there. That's her or him. Sometimes I've heard him make that sound too. And she had to have it. She came from a family of musicians. She was a musician herself, and she's like, I have to have it. I'm like, lucky for you, I have one. So this one will also find its buyer, but I'm going to show you. I've never used unicorn spit before, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a galaxy right here. Stay tuned. Oh, before I do, I'm not going to actually do a tutorial for you. I will put a link in the cards to the tutorial from the actual manufacturer because it's their product. They're much better at a tutorial. I'm just showing you what it's like to use it for the first time. Now, the only thing that I am worried about, aside from the fact that canning jars are popping, I didn't can nothing today, is that it's jasmine scented. I have a problem with jasmine. Kind of makes me stuffy. We'll see how this goes. It gives me a little bit of a headache and it makes me stuffy. Real jasmine does. So we'll see if this makes me sick. So it might make me sick. That was the other thing holding me back, but the color might be worth it. So let's give it a try. I'm going to put you on time lapse. And like I said, it's not a full-on tutorial, but well, at least I'll show you how easy it is for a beginner. Literally never even opened them. Y'all, they're not even open. Like, I don't know if these even have like a stopper or something on them. Yeah, there's something in there that's like stopping the paint from coming out. So I mean, I haven't even taken, is there? I wouldn't say that's too jasmine-y. Jasmine-y? Is that a word? So, literally beginner. They are just now getting opened. So, I'll just show you what it's like for, like, oh! It looks pretty on leather. Okay, so I'll show you what it's like for a fool to do it for the first time. I'm not afraid to try anything once. Yeah, it's a good thing I like blue. But so go to the tutorial if you want specific instructions. All I know is that you're supposed to squeeze it on, spray some water on it, and then put plastic wrap on it and then roll it out with a brush, and that's what I'm gonna do. So we'll see how it.
The noises from the little munchkins that are making noise outside my door. But I'm gonna lift the plastic wrap. Ooh, pretty. Well, it's super pretty. Very vibrant. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but I'm going to leave it like this.
Okay, it's not really galaxy looking. I think I overdid it just a tiny bit, but I love the vibrant color on it. It's just gorgeous. Maybe I'll leave it like that. I'm going to see what it looks like as it dries. I don't know why those little pops are showing up. Look at that. Don't know what that's about. But yeah, super pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, we're doing a big piece with this. I'm not sure what yet, but it's happening. That is gorgeous, y'all. So it is not hard to use at all. You can see I just used the dry brush on it. The scent is not overwhelming, which is what I was super afraid of, was that, I mean, you can smell jasmine, but it's not at all like making me sick right now. So really pretty. Okay, so that's my first attempt at unicorn. Okay, so I didn't like the little air bubbles that were on it, and I went back in and I did another coat, and this is dry now. So all I did was take another piece of plastic and just get another coat on it, and the colors muted out just a little bit when it dried. So I think I'm going to do definitely glossy coat on this, just to bring the vibrancy back on those colors, and then we'll paint the rest of it and see what the whole thing looks like. But yeah, I'm definitely going to use the unicorn spit again. I like this. My husband said it looks like tie-dye. I don't think it does. No, not really. It's just really cool blended colors. It's not a tie-dye look where it, you know, definitely has dark edges and light edges. This is more blended. What's going on here? What's going on there? Well, I need another coat. Let's see, it looks like it's soaked into the wood and the green is coming up through there. Interesting. Like I said, I've never used this before, so it's kind of fun to see what's happening, because this was basically bare wood. But I love the colors. I love the colors. There's another focus. There we go. Love the color. Love the vibrancy of the stain. The really dark blue turned out kind of a light blue on the inside, and where it dripped, it's gonna have to be redone all through here. I'll have to stain the inside too, but I did get it on the edges. Looks pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, that's unicorn spit. The jasmine smell, if you're not a fan of perfumes like I'm not, was not overwhelming, so don't be afraid of that. That was my biggest fear, was that it was going to make me sick and that it was going to smell like that in my room and be overwhelming, but it wasn't. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.